In a world where every hiccup granted a wish, people began to cherish their hiccups. "I wish for courage," whispered one, as a hiccup escaped. Suddenly, they found themselves facing fears with newfound bravery. Another wished for laughter, and soon joy spread like wildfire. "What if we could share our wishes?" someone pondered. They gathered, hiccuping in harmony, and wished for unity. Barriers dissolved and communities thrived. Each hiccup became a reminder of potential, a chance to transform. Embrace the unexpected, they learned, for within it lies magic. Like, comment, and subscribe for more inspiring stories.